I'm a professor of civil and environmental engineering. My office is on the 4th floor of Snell, so if anyone wants to ask me more questions about my experience, feel free to stop by. My entire research career, I've been at Northeastern for 10 years now. My entire research career has focused on climate issues. I'm totally motivated by climate issues and all that I'm doing professionally. And that has landed me on wind energy as an area of specialty for my research program. So most of my career has been looking at academic issues, but recently I started to think a little broader and started to think about some ideas that could be commercialized. So a colleague and I, I think it was 2018, came up with a novel concept for a floating wind turbine. It's a very big idea. It's going to take a lot of funding and development to demonstrate this technology. But it could have a huge impact. And so we started to think about commercialization. That led us to apply to join the Clean Tech Open, and I guess their first pandemic cohort, the 2020 cohort. And I had a fabulous experience. I think if I were to highlight a few aspects of why I found the experience to be so rewarding, first, as the others have mentioned, the mentors you're assigned to are carefully cultivated to your specific needs, and they each have a kind of carefully determined role that really creates a great breadth of experience and diversity of viewpoints. So we had weekly meetings with them, and it provided a lot of expertise where we needed it. Especially for me and my team, which was mostly technical. So this kind of mini MBA, as Beth describes it, was vital for us because all of our backgrounds were in engineering. And so getting some commercialization experience was really important as we write up grants, as we start to pitch our idea around. I also found that the overall organization of the program is fabulous. The curriculum and the deliverables provide a great framework, and especially for folks who are new to business type activities and commercialization initiatives. It's a great network, so made a bunch of great connections in my cohort through my mentors. And Beth still regularly sends me possible connections that could help us along the way, and several over the last year I've followed up on, and it's been helpful. And then the kind of overall organization and structure gives you regular and organized feedback that I found to be a huge help in improving my pitching materials and my delivery. So we actually got the go-to market strategy that we conceived of as part of the Clean Tech Open in 2020 is actually the one that we are now fleshing out and including in our pitch deck that we're pitching to investors this spring.